Talk English with a friend. Hey, Sarah. Wow, it's been so long. How have you been?
Hi, Tim. I know, right? I've been doing well. Just busy with work. How about you?
Same here. Work has been crazy lately. I'm so glad we could meet today.
Me too. It feels like forever. You look great, by the way.
Thanks. So do you. I missed our little chats.
Me too. Let's catch up on everything.
By the way, the weather today is really nice, isn't it?
Yeah, it's perfect. Not too hot, not too cold. I love sunny days like this.
Me too. I almost walked here because it felt so nice outside.
I actually did walk. Just a short walk from the bus stop, though.
That's great. I hope it stays like this all week.
Same here. I'm so tired of all the rain we had last week.
Totally. Rainy days make me so sleepy.
By the way, what time do you usually wake up?
I wake up around 7 a.m. What about you?
I usually get up at 6:30. I like to start my day early. Do you make breakfast every day?
Yes, I do. I usually eat eggs and toast.
Nice. I prefer cereal with fruit. What do you do after breakfast?
I take a shower and get ready for work.
Same here. I also check my emails before leaving. How do you get to work?
I take the bus. It's about 20 minutes. What about you?
Oh, I walk. My office is close to my apartment. What time does your work start?
At 9 a.m. And yours?
9:30 a.m. I'm lucky. Do you take lunch at the office?
Sometimes. But I often go out to eat.
I bring a lunchbox. It's healthier and cheaper. What do you do after work?
I usually go to the gym.
That's great. I go for a walk or read a book. What time do you go to bed?
Around 11 p.m. And you?
I try to sleep by 10 p.m. I need 8 hours.
So, Sarah, what have you been up to lately? Anything new?
Well, work has been keeping me busy, but I started taking yoga classes recently.
Yoga? That sounds relaxing. How do you like it?
I really enjoy it. It helps me relax after a long day.
That's great. I've been trying to exercise more too, but it's hard to find time.
Yeah, I know what you mean. What about you? Any new hobbies?
Not really, but I've been watching a lot of cooking shows lately. It's fun to learn new recipes.
Oh, nice. Maybe you can cook something for me one day.
Definitely. I'll invite you over soon.
So, do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yeah, I'm thinking about going hiking with some friends. What about you?
That sounds fun. I'm planning to visit my parents. It's been a while.
Oh, nice. It's always good to spend time with family.
Definitely. And I hope the weather stays nice for hiking.
Me too. Maybe after hiking, we can get together and share stories.
I'd love that. Let's make plans soon. By the way, have you seen any good movies lately?
Yes. I watched that new comedy, Funny Days. It was really funny.
Oh, I heard about that one. Was it on Netflix?
Yes, it is. I think you'd like it.
I love comedies. I'll watch it this weekend.
Great. What about you? Seen anything interesting?
I just finished watching a documentary about cooking. It was so inspiring.
Sounds cool. I need to watch more documentaries.
So, do you have any new hobbies these days?
Actually, yes. I started learning how to play the guitar.
Wow, that's awesome. How's it going?
It's fun, but a little hard. I'm still a beginner.
I bet you're doing great. I've always wanted to learn an instrument.
You should try it. What about you? Any hobbies?
I've been painting a little. It helps me relax.
That's cool. Maybe one day you can show me your paintings.
Sure. And you can play a song for me too. So, how have you been feeling lately? Healthy?
Mostly yes, but I caught a cold last week. It was annoying.
Oh no. Did you see a doctor?
Yes, I did. The medicine helped a lot.
Good to hear. I've been trying to eat healthier and exercise more.
That's great. I'm trying to do the same.
It's hard sometimes, but worth it.
Definitely. Let's keep each other motivated.
So, how's your job going these days?
It's good, but pretty busy. Lots of deadlines coming up.
I know the feeling. Work has been stressful for me too.
Do you like your job?
Yes, I do. It's challenging but rewarding.
That's important. I'm glad you enjoy it.
Thanks. How about your coworkers? Are they nice?
Yeah, they're great. We often have lunch together.
That sounds fun. It helps to have good coworkers. Have you traveled anywhere recently?
Not really. I've been too busy with work.
Same here. But I'm planning a trip next month.
Oh, where are you going?
I'm going to Hawaii. I've heard it's beautiful.
I've always wanted to visit Hawaii. You'll have a great time.
I hope so. Maybe next time we can travel together.
That would be fun.